Basis is a digital accessory brand under Shenzhen Times Innovation Technology (CO Ltd). The name Basis came from the company's core slogan, which is "Based on User." It means that the users are the cornerstone to support the survival and development of the company. When doing product demand positioning, Basis insists on thinking from the user's point of view, pay attention to the user's experience, and provide the practical and beautiful products truly related to the users. Here we have what I believe to be the best value 5-amp USB Type-C cable to replace your stock Huawei charger or data cable. This is the Basis water drop shape lamp USB cable. On front we can see three highlighted features. It's saying that it's compatible with Huawei's 5-amp supercharge. The wires are made of sturdy zinc alloy forming. And on the third one, it's saying that the cable has this unique water drop indicator lamp. At the back we can see the other specs. You can get the cable in three colors, namely black, which is this one, red or purple. The max output current is rated as 5 amp. It has a transmission speed of 480 Mbps. Here we can see the authenticity sticker. Later I'm also going to show you how to check if you received a fake or original Basis product. That's it. Let's open the box now. Inside we have two documentations. First we got a thank you card and the other one is a warranty card. And lastly, the USB Type-C cable. Let's have a quick comparo of the Basis cable to my old Huawei stock cable. The stock Huawei cable is made of thermoplastic rubber, while the other uses a thick nylon braided fabric, and the port on both ends are encased in a zinc alloy shroud. After a year of use, the Huawei cable had formed cracks on both ends, and if it wasn't for the black electric tapes that I've mounted, crack peeling could have gone far worse. Here's a closer look at the connector. Here's the zinc alloy case with superior strain relief compared to the other one. The connector has a lamp-shaped light indicator that looks cool and would be handy when you're trying to find your cable in the dark. Here's a quick length comparison. So approximately 3 inches longer yung Basis compared dito sa ating Huawei charger. Once you have the cable plugged into the power outlet, the LED indicator on the connector's end lights up. This feature is quite handy when handling your cable in the dark. Now we're going to check if this cable supports Huawei supercharged technology. I'll be using my Huawei P10 for this test. We will see if the 5 amp rating of this cable is true or not. Alright, so I have here a Huawei P10 device. This supports supercharge, and we'll see if it's the Basis and it's compatible with this device. Or is it worthy to be the replacement of my so it's supercharging. So yeah, so this one is supercharged. Now, is the Basis water drop lamp cable a worthy replacement for your old Huawei charging cable? Well, the answer is yes. It's a better product. And for only 350 pesos, you'll get this good looking cable that's made of thick nylon fabric, supports supercharge, has a metal housing on each end that's cool to the touch, has a light indicator, and a bonus cable management Velcro tie to top it off. In terms of build quality, it blows away the stock charger by a mile. This is Gino from GTV, signing off. So yeah, there you go. We've managed to use the 16-digit code.
Sa video?
So legit yung item.